What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of this computer build. This is the build I was doing for a friend, and it is complete. We don't have the side panel on because it's got the peel on it. We're gonna let her do that. In this video, you'll see us build this, and he helps a little bit.
I gave him a couple screwdrivers.
Yeah, it was nice. It was great. This is evidence that it still works, so enjoy. All right, here we go. Oh, there's a lot more room up here than I thought there was going to be. That's nice. Good job, Antec. All right, I've got everything installed, everything hooked up, all the plugs are plugged, and I have the GPU 12-pin cable right here, ready to go. So let's install the GPU. You have seen this GPU, the 3080 Ti that was in part A of this. Love the sound effects.
Oh yeah, that thing is beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Man, super classy.
We're in. We just screw her down and plug it in, and then we have a mount that we can use.
That thing looks good in there.
Yeah, it really
it's
does.
Really nice and sleek.
It really is. I like this. I'm really liking this a lot, actually.
And I like where it hooks up too.
How it's
Angled.
It's different. We'll plug it in first. It's weird having a proprietary plug. When you get one of these used, then hope it has it. There we go. Now for the mount that I've never done before. So she told me how she wants it. She wants it kind of clamped together between these two. With that being said, I'm gonna have to probably see if I can pull this off and flip it over because it is made to support 2 GPUs. There's a pad on the top here. Oh, it's magnetic.
Oh.
I was not expecting that.
Wow.
gripping. Well, let's see how it. Any sag at all? I don't think so. That's on there good.
All right, people, there you go. Look at that thing. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
It's shining so many colors.
Well, there's a button right here. We can change colors.
And that.
This was great. I had to move these 3 fans from the front to the back, or from the front to the top. And sorry about the light. That actually took really long compared to the rest of the build. That thing on the front was really cool. I'm interested in using that in the future on something I want. These strips were a pain. I don't know if we got anything of that on video, but
No, I don't think so.
they're like a 1/2 inch thick, and they come with these mounting brackets. They're kind of wedged between the fan and the frame here, the chassis, and it works. It works great. So it all worked out. It just took us a while to figure that out.
And it syncs in with the whole, what's this?
Yeah.
What'd you call it? What's the name brand of that?
The Asia Horse
The Asia Horse. It syncs
360.
that.
Yeah, this
LED strip syncs in with the outside of the Asia Horse mounting
thing. Yeah,
cage.
I have it all. It's kind of daisy chained because they have that compatibility on. They have those cords on it, so it's all right together.
Looks
It
good.
works.
It looks really good.
perfectly, or it works perfectly. Looks great. Yeah, this thing was kind of weird. The GPU bracket holder, didn't know it was magnetic, so when I put it on there, it kind of stuck to it. So that was cool. And I had to flip this top one around because the customer wanted it to be kind of wedged between there, and there's a pad on one side of each of these. So I had to take this top part off and pull it up, flip it over. That's when I found out the screw only goes in one way. So the top screw is actually in backwards. Well, from the back to the front, but it's perfect. I got it dialed in, no sag.
Yeah. That GPU, I love the way that GPU looks. That thing is nice. It looks very sleek and it fits. It doesn't stand out.
This is my first time using Nvidia's 12-pin adapter thing that you guys saw me plug in on the first video, and it's weird.
Yeah.
It's really weird. It takes 16, well, 2 8s, and it turns it into a single 12. It's actually smaller than one of the 8s. But it does its thing. It does what it's supposed to do. And if you look over here, everything's still showing up. We have the motherboard, then we have the Ryzen 9 5950X CPU, speeds and stuff. We haven't done anything with this. The 2 sticks of memory equating to 64 total gigabytes, and then over here we have the 2 NVMe's, the 2 SATA SSDs, and the 2 SATA hard drives. So all 6 drives, all 13 terabytes are showing up.
A lot.
I'll be installing an operating system on that one, the 2 terabyte NVMe drive, PCIe Gen 4. This is pretty cool.
Yeah, I like that.
Like all kinds of stuff. And it does plug into the motherboard. So I'm sure that there's some software that she can get to control it from her computer rather than just hitting a button. But it is really cool to mess with.
There you go, people.
Heck yeah.
If you like that video, give us that thumbs up.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and the bell if you'd like to see when we release new content.
And share, man. It's the only way we get anywhere with you guys' care.
Yeah. Sorry we don't do more stuff like this, but it's expensive.
Oh, it's just so expensive nowadays, so
yeah.
We already have ours. We don't need to buy another one for no reason, so.
I do.
Well.
This one's not for me, but I want one.
Well, there you go, guys. We'll see y'all next time.
Heck yeah.